Hey guys, Dr. Sarah and Dr. Tate here. Are you guys at your computer all day long, hunched over like this? Well, we're gonna show you two great adjustments for the upper back to open everything up and get things moving. Great, I'll have Dr. Tate stand up.
Feels so much better.
And this right here is going to be move number 2 here, guys. And we're going to have her give herself a nice big bear hug. And a nice big deep breath in there for me, Dr. Sarah. And all the way out.
Oh, that feels so much better.
Stay tuned, guys, for more content.